Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Mindful Convo. So for today the topic is Tucker's 5 question approach. So basically this approach is really important whenever you are working in an ethical way. So profits should be made in an ethical way. Tucker's model is a simple decision making framework available to the organization to use in order to provide a framework for ethical decisions. So basically this model revolves around the ethical decision making of the organization. So in order to be ethically correct, business decisions and actions should be legal. So basically the Tucker's model is based on the view that decisions should not be taken in business if they are not sustainable or if they are damaging the environment, and there are so many other factors. There are mainly 5 factors to this approach. So how are we going to judge each and every point? So whenever let's say you are trying to I would say there is a project upon which you have to strategize that whether you should do the investment within it or not. So firstly you will always have the 5 questions within you as which are as per the Tucker's 5 question approach, that whether the project is profitable, whether it's legal, whether it's fair, whether it's right, and of course whether it's sustainable. So we'll discuss one by one. So if is it profitable, it means that the point you find that there is no profit from that investment, from that project, so there is no point of continuing with it, because after all we are not an NPO, we are working for the profit. So basically any investment, for example you are making within the company any investment, and due to that investment, suppose you have purchased a machine by investing, and due to that purchase you are able to minimize the cost of operation. So with that, the minimization in cost, you can obviously increase your profits. So there will be some cheap labor cost as well. So here you analyzed that yes, this particular thing is profitable. But what if you are investing in a machine and the machine cost is so much high that it is going to be provide you loss in the future? So there is no point of purchasing that machine. So you have to analyze whether the particular scenario, the proposal is really profitable or not. Then other one is that whether is it legal. So illegal actions should not be continued further. The day you find that anything is going illegal, illegality can also be in the rules of the country, in the legal structure of the country. Okay, there could be so many reasons. So the day you find that things are not going legally right, you should not continue with that project. So basically here you can take the example of the health and safety. So if the health and safety is not provided to the employees, so it is really illegal that you are working and you are not very much your thinking is not safe about how your employees are working. And also you are, for example, you are just the trials after the project has been initiated, and you are the trials which you are doing are illegal, or the safety trials are not I would say beneficial for the marketplace, then it is illegal and straight away you should discontinue that project. So the facts will be given in the question, in the case study, and you have to analyze it whether it's legal or illegal. Then for the fair, is it fair? So project should be fair obviously, and how are you going to judge it? You can take example of the interest group, like if there is a poor community and you are trying to ruin the interest of that poor community to take your profit, then it is not the fair thing. There will be a conflict in rights of parties involved. So this should not be the thing. Each and every shareholder, every stakeholder has a fair chance of taking the advantage from that project. Okay, then right. So is it right? So there's a very thin line of difference between fair and right. So you have to see that whether anything which upon the project which you are working, whether it has the moral sense. Okay, so where the morality comes within the picture, it means that yes, your course of action is right. Then sustainability. So does it is safe for the environment? So yes, if it is environmentally sound, it is sustainable, it is not providing any damage to the environment, to the atmosphere, then yes, it is sustainable. And if all the 5 questions are yes, then you can continue with this project or with this proposal. So these are the 5 Tucker's question approach. So this was all about the video. Stay tuned for more videos. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.